You ever get that sinking feeling? Like life's moving fast, and you're stuck watching it from the sidelines. Like you're shouting into the void, but no one hears you. You're not lazy, you've just been feeling invisible, waiting on someone to show you the way. I built the SMCA campus for you, the person who knows deep down that they were meant for more. Inside, you'll learn how to command attention, turn the algorithm into your own personal army, and monetize your mind using AI and an internet connection. No fluff, no guesswork. Wake up to daily tasks so every day you know your next move. Real-time updates on exactly what's happening and what's working. A 24/7 community that's working side by side with you every step of the way. And momentum that you can feel from day one. But let me be straight with you. Most people, they'll keep watching and keep hoping. They'll live every day feeling invisible. That's not you. You wouldn't be here if it was. You've got access now to the tools, to the SMCA community, to me as your professor. Claim your space before someone else does. Let's build your name. Let's make your dream life real. Welcome to the SMCA, where dreams become tangible realities. I'll see you in the next video.